This is the Ozeri Savore pepper mill grinder. It is electronic. It runs on batteries. As you can see, I have the peppercorns in there. You can see the three settings. There's a fine, a medium, and a coarse. And for battery operated, it runs pretty good. I've got it in coarse, so you can see the peppercorn coming out and how big it comes out. So I'm going to change the setting to medium. Just make it a little bit smaller. And then I'll grind some fine. It's not wanting to go down to fine. Okay. But that's how this little grinder works. As you can see, it grinds really nicely, and it's perfect.